Laser therapy is one of the most effective tools we use to support recovery and movement. Not because it replaces rehabilitation, but because it makes movement possible sooner, easier, and more comfortable. When laser therapy is used properly, it does exactly what it is meant to do. It reduces pain sensitivity, it improves tissue response, and it allows people to move with more confidence. Laser therapy works by delivering specific wavelengths of light into tissue. Each wavelength interacts with the body in a slightly different way. Common therapeutic wavelengths include 640, 720, 810, 860, 980, and 80 nanometers. Lower wavelengths, such as 640 and 720, work closer to the surface. They help calm sensitivity in superficial tissues and reduce protective guarding. Mid-range wavelengths like 810 and 860 nanometers penetrate deeper. These are commonly used for muscles, tendons, and joint structures. Higher wavelengths, such as 980 and 80 nanometers, penetrate the deepest. They are used to influence larger tissue volumes and deeper joint irritation. This is why laser therapy is not a single setting or a generic treatment. It is precise, targeted, and matched to the tissue and movement demands. At a cellular level, laser light interacts with tissue to support energy production and local circulation. This improves how tissue responds to load and reduces excessive pain sensitivity. The result is not numbness. The result is better tolerance to movement. Pain is often the main barrier to recovery. When pain is high, people guard. They move cautiously. They avoid loading joints fully. Laser therapy helps reduce that barrier. When pain sensitivity drops, people move more freely. Walking becomes smoother. Exercises feel more controlled. Confidence improves. This is where laser therapy is at its best. Laser therapy creates the conditions for movement to work better. When we combine laser therapy with walking, loading, and movement retraining, recovery accelerates. People tolerate activity sooner. They progress more comfortably. They regain confidence faster. This is not accidental. It is how the body adapts when pain is managed intelligently. Laser therapy also supports circulation and tissue readiness. Muscles warm up faster. Joints feel less reactive. Movement quality improves earlier in the session. For people with tendon pain, joint irritation, or post-injury sensitivity, this can be the difference between avoiding movement and engaging with it fully. At R3 Physiotherapy, laser therapy is used alongside movement, not instead of it. It supports walking. It supports loading. It supports rehabilitation progress. Nutrition also plays a role in how tissues respond to both laser therapy and movement. Recovery improves when the body has the right resources available. If you need help tailoring your diet to your specific needs or medical conditions, you can arrange a personalized consultation using the link in the description. Supporting recovery metabolically allows laser therapy and movement to work even more effectively together. Laser therapy is particularly valuable when tissues are sensitive but ready to move. It reduces the friction between pain and progress. That is why people often say movement feels easier after laser therapy. Not because something was fixed, but because the system is calmer and more responsive. Laser therapy also helps maintain momentum. It reduces flare-ups. It supports consistency. And consistency is what drives long-term improvement. When used as part of a structured movement plan, laser therapy shortens recovery timelines and improves tolerance to walking and exercise. it is not about dependency. It is about supporting progress. As movement capacity increases, reliance on laser naturally reduces. The body takes over. That is the goal. Laser therapy is a smart tool. Movement is the engine. Together, they create better outcomes. To deepen your understanding of how laser therapy fits into a complete movement-led recovery pathway, you can explore the resources in the description. You can read The Way to Walk and join the Revitalise Together program, where movement, education, and recovery are integrated into a single approach. Laser therapy works best when it supports movement, and movement works best when pain is managed properly. That is why, together, they are so effective.